This is the tricky part. There you go. And you should have it, if you get it right, you should have it like this. Now, just keep it and flip it over. Now remove these. These might have pulled back, might have pushed back together the clips that you unclipped the first time. Alright, kind of tricky, but there we go. Make sure you get it. There we go. Now just pull the top part. Just pull it right off. Should come off really easy. Just pull it off. And then just set it somewhere. Set that somewhere. Alright. Now, this is where you're going to need your torque screw. T10. See now, you're going to need that torque screw for, alright, all the silver, pretty much all the, all the silver screws here. One here, 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 up there, and right there. Now, before you do that though, make sure you remove the DVD button. Right here. Just if you don't, you can just use your fingernail or whatever, but just all you simply do is just pry it off. It should just pop right out. Right there. Really simple. Right there. Now you're gonna want to take your T10 torque screw and remove all the screws. Alright. Oops. Now just make sure you be sure you unscrew them pretty much all the way. Yeah. Unscrew them all the way. Alright, all you want to do is just flip it over. All the screws should fall out. Just set them down. Hold it with your thumb right here and your fingers over here on both sides so you don't drop it, but flip it over. Set it down. Then just lift it up. Just lift the top right off, and there you go. Just set that somewhere else. And right here, on the inside of your Xbox 360. Now this tutorial was just, you know, for those who want to mod their Xboxes, you know, to take them, you gotta open them up so you get down to the inside like this to mod it. So yeah, I will be modding my Xbox soon, sometime in the near future. I should be modding it. I'm not sure how to mod it yet, so if you guys have any ideas how I should mod it, you know, just give me some ideas. And I have one question. You know, I'm not really like huge like electronics person, like LEDs and stuff like that. But when you do install LEDs on like for a modded Xbox, what's the power source? Like I just don't really understand that. But if you guys could just answer that for me, or you know, just give me some ideas about how I should mod my Xbox. You know, just give me some ideas. Just give me a good comment. You know, that was just how to take apart your Xbox 360. Now, if you want to know how to put it back together and just reverse the process, you know, pretty self-explanatory. Alright, see you guys later.